And guys, coming at you from Down4SOUNDSHOP.com with a new product that we just got in. It's a revision to an older product, and we made it a lot better and a lot cooler. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of Down4SOUNDSHOP.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this. So what we have here is the all new Down4Sound Subwoofer Bass Knob. This is the new version right here, injection molded. It has a very nice soft touch to it, very smooth. Has a Down4Sound on the front right here. Nice high quality potentiometer in here. And in this one, we added a voltmeter in here. So you got a little sneak peek of that, right? This is the old one for comparison. You can see the difference in it for sure. This one was 3D printed, and it had, you can see all the lines in it. The quality, it was good for a first run, but being our second run, we had to improve it in ways, right? Not only did we improve the build quality of it, but we added a nice voltmeter in there. So you may be asking yourself, will this bass knob work for me? Yes, if your amplifier requires RCA inputs, there's a couple of amplifiers out there that are Bluetooth connected for the signal. If that's yours, obviously it won't work because you don't have any RCAs going to your amplifier. But if your amplifier is like 99% of the amplifiers like the Down4Sound one that I have in front of me, and it has a RCA input for the signal right here, it will work for your amplifier. Doesn't matter brand, make, model, whatever. It's going to be varying the input signal through the potentiometer in the bass knob. So the way that, and also really quick, it's on the website, but the way that you hook this up for the voltmeter is going to be black is going to be to ground, red is going to be your constant hot, and then your white is going to be your 12 volt ACC turn on or a remote turn on. So that'll make it where it'll only turn on when your amplifier's on, if you'd like to do it that way. And then you have your two high quality RCAs here. And the way that you hook this up on any amplifier with RCA connection, you will have one set of RCAs. Say these RCAs are coming from your head unit, right? So this can be plugged into the back of your head unit, going back to your amplifier. But instead of going to your amplifier, you're going to plug them in to here. And notice we have these nice high quality Down4Sound RCAs, very nice tight fit. We just got these in stock. They're on sale right now on the holiday pricing as well, so be sure to grab you some of those. So head unit, out of your head unit, comes into this side of the bass knob. Get that one out of the way. And then we're gonna have this one that will hook up. There we go. So these have these screw-on ends right here. So it makes it where when you get your RCA, like the head of it right here on there, you can tighten this down and it'll cinch this down on there and make it a really good connection. So, all right. Anyway, so out of there, you'll have this set of RCAs right here, and it's gonna go into your amplifier inputs. There. And there. And then we'll tighten it down. So it'll be nice and tight on there. Alright, so that's how it works. It's coming out of the bass knob. So your bass knob right here, you're going to be turning it up and down. This is going to be controlling the level of your bass. Obviously all the way down. You're going to go all the way to the left. You'll turn it up and go to the right. So head unit, bass knob, out of the bass knob into your amplifier. You can put this bass knob wherever you'd want to. Most people put it like down beside them somewhere. They'll have it come up between their seat and their console or somewhere, so they can just put it in their lap, be adjusting their bass on the fly. And you can also monitor your voltage from your amplifier, your back battery bank, if you want to hook it up to there to be able to read that to make sure you have enough juice going. You can do that as well. These are on introductory sale price for $119. So if you'd like to get on the holiday sale pricing on those as well, You can go ahead and grab some by checking the link out in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions pertaining to car audio or business or whatever it might be, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them for you. Don't forget about the Down4Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service, and we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab. So check it out and we'll see you in the next one. Later. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down4SOUNDSHOP on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JP D4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.